Canadian bacon stocks for the day starting November the 6th, 2024. Boom, zoom to the moon, Alice. Post-election for the Trump victory. Got a couple of notables here. Really, the express bullet train addition to Canadian bacon stocks. Let's go, as you see on your screen, Trump media. Look at this, up 24. It was up 26% at one point this morning for November the 6th. In your greenish gray area, this is the post-market for Trump stock last night. As you can see, it jumped through the hoops all the way up until about 8 o'clock last night. It was incredible. And then the pre-market this morning, this jumped too. As you can see on your screen, it went up. It's hovering around at 9:19 a.m. on the November the 6th, 2024. So that brings me to another notable was Tesla for the bullet train edition, express edition to Canadian bacon stocks. To look at Tesla's up 12.23%, $30 a share. That's the U.S., but the Canadians trading the pre-market. There is no pre-market, so it's going to jump. Let's see where the jump is on the, since we're here, on the Tesla stock for the Canadian market. Looks like it's going to be around $28. Woo! Zoom to the moon, Alice. Look at this. Trading closed at $22.92 Canadian yesterday. Simmering at up 75 cents a share for the Tesla. This is the Canadian Tesla you can buy. And pre-trading before 9:30 bell, it looks like it's they're asking, and it's around $28. So it's one I missed out on. But let's go to another one that's a notable is Bitcoin. Look at Bitcoin during the because it's moving during the elections around 9 o'clock. It starts to move up because the results are coming in. Boom, zoom again to the moon, Alice. I'm sorry I'm using that analogy again, but around 2200 hours, 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time last night, things started to get bent out of shape, and now you can see Bitcoin's trading at around 73, topping at 75,000 last night. Just incredible. That brings us to another couple of notables for this new election post-dramatic series of events for Donald Trump. As you can see, his stock took off, and NVIDIA is taking off too, and it had a surge in the pre-market trading. Also, a notable was Microsoft. And look at that jump too, right? So things look really good. Something I had to bring over to your attention, though, just before we get to the economic calendar. I'm going to run out of time on the Bullet Train Express edition, as it's 9:21, coming up to the trading bell. I got to get on it. But look at this, silver and gold tanked on me, and it's been hurting. So watch out for that this week. Gold and silver tankaroni. So let's move on to the economic calendar, and that's really just the earnings reports for Wednesday, November the 6th. Today, this morning, you got ATS. That's before. You got Alamos Gold, Stella, a couple of Manulife, as they mentioned on BNN Bloomberg. You got to watch that. That's a great channel. Great West Life. GFL's down there too. I have that as on my watch list. Watch GFL. Thursday, the 7th of November, we're looking at Canadian Tire, and we mentioned that before. Quebec Cascades, and what was another? BCE down here. And it's always a tried, tested, and true, isn't it? That's the wrong slogan, but that's the one I'm using today. Wealth. On Friday the 8th. I've mentioned this in my earlier podcast, but this is the bullet train one. I got the TELUS coming up, Onyx. What else is notable? RB Global and TELUS down there. Okay, that's what we're looking at to round out the calendar. The economic aspect of it for the week. We're looking at nothing really much today, but the Rogers speech I mentioned to you, Ivan Pema, and Friday we got the hourly wages, part-time, and unemployment rate. So that's it for the bullet train edition for Canadian banking stocks, hoping putting a sizzle into your stock portfolio. For I just had to run this express bullet edition to let you know stocks are up, gold and silver down. Oh, Bitcoin, put that on your watch list. Check it out, guys, and have a great day. And have a happy trading week. It's going to be volatile and a lot of volume. See you for now.